Hey girl, hey, welcome back for part 2 of my wig reconstruction series. If you missed part 1, go ahead and pause this video, go watch it girl, and come on back. That way we're all caught up, okay? So here I am just showing my braid pattern, aka my base. This keeps my installs flat with no lumps and bumps, even though I will be wearing curly hair. Now, like I said in part 1, this hair is from AliExpress from the vendor Ali Annabelle. Unfortunately, I do not remember the lengths. The longest length is more than likely 20 inches, and the texture is Brazilian kinky curly deep wave. She's real high maintenance, okay? And of course, I used 3 bundles and a closure to make this unit. So as y'all saw, I was just fitting the wig on my head, making sure my parts are lined up with the part on the closure for this good middle part bust down, okay? And then I'm just going to begin stitching around the perimeter of my head. I like to stitch down one side at a time and then go back and stitch down the closure. I use a mixture of needles, both C needles and J needles. I keep 4 to 5 needles threaded so that way I can just keep going and going like the Energizer Bunny, okay? However, when I am stitching down, or when you stitch down, you do want to go ahead and pull the thread taut to not yank on your edges, okay? We don't want that. We want to maintain our edges. All right, y'all, so right here I am just showing you how I knot my thread. I usually have long nails. This is long nail friendly. I just wrap it around my finger twice, pull the needle through over my nail, and then just yank it through, and then boom, we have a knot. That works for me. If you wear long nails, that is a tip. If you ever just have problems knotting your thread, that's just a tip for you. That's how I do it. It's very easy that way. Am I the only person that when you are finished sewing, you have to turn your head to the side to knot it, to, like, you know how you tie your shoe? That's how I finish off my section when I'm done threading. Of course, you just have to knot it that last time. That's how I do it. I absolutely have to turn my head to the side. Am I the only one that has to do that? All right, y'all, so now that the wig is installed, I'm just making sure everything is everything and everything is lined up correctly, making sure the closure is tacked down properly, making sure there's no lumps, no bumps, making sure that we just look good, okay? Alright, y'all, so this is how the hair looks styled, okay? 0 to 100 real quick, alright? So if you guys want to see how I styled this unit, stay tuned for part 3, and I'm gonna holla at y'all later.